Hello there. Today we are going to make this star, a quilted star. Isn't that pretty? All right, now this one is made out of 1-inch pieces. This one I've made a little bit bigger so you can see it a little bit better. This is 1 1/4, I think. Yeah, 1 1/4. So not much bigger, but close enough so that you can see. And I'll leave this laying out so that way you can see that. All right. So what you need are 4 squares. 2 of one color, 2 of another color. That's all you need to make this. Okay, and then you just need a scrap paper to work on. Alrighty, so what you're going to do is you need 1 square. You need to leave it whole. So I'm going to go ahead and leave this one whole because I like the way this looks right here. So that one's going to stay whole, just like that. Alright, so then the other one, you're going to cut in 4 triangles. So you're going to take it and you're going to cut it in half from corner to corner. Fold it over, and I'm just going to eyeball it and mark it right in the center. Okay, and let me show you where I marked it. See where I marked it? Because then I'm going to cut from the center up. I might be over to the left a little bit. That's okay. I'll just cut it a little bit over to the right. There. So now we've got those 4 pieces. And then the other 2 pieces, you just have to cut both of them in half, corner to corner. So line those up. And corner to corner. All right, there you go. And those are the pieces that we're going to need. So now we're going to need to put this one down, and then we're going to line these ones up in the same way. So you're going to do it this way, but turn it. Do it this way, but turn it. So line this up the same way, and then turn it so it looks like a propeller. And then these ones, you're going to actually use the corner to put against the center right here. So meaning we're going to do it this way. We're going to take this corner and put it in the center, but then match up this side. So then we're going to, and that way you know that you're turning them all the way, same way. You match up the corner and then lay it down. Match up the corner and lay it down. Match up the corner and lay it down. And then all you have to do is glue them down. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and do that. I don't want to waste too much paper, so I'm going to move it over here. And I'll go ahead and start with this. And we're going to glue this piece down. Alrighty. And just hold it there for a moment to make sure it's gluing on. Alright. So now we're going to glue all the silver pieces first, the biggest pieces of the triangle. All right, so remember when you pick it up, I'm always going to have my thumb on the corner. All right, so that way I know which way it's going to be glued down. So it's going to go on there. All righty, then we're going to do this one. Put my thumb on that corner. Glue that down. Alrighty, we're going to do it again. We need that, whoops, thumb on the corner. Come on. It just doesn't want to come up. Alright, put a little glue on there. And we've got to remember the propeller's turning, so you've got to check and make sure. Okay, and then this one, we're going to do it this way. Alrighty. Very, very simple pattern. Alright. So now we're going to take these 4 pieces and we're going to glue these out down. So we just need a little bit of glue. And put that on. Do this one with a little bit of glue. Put that one on. Do this one with a little bit of glue and glue that one down. And then last but not least, a little bit of glue and glue this one down. Alrighty, there. Now we can turn it over, give it a little back rub. Nice. So now you can cut it off in a square around it, or you can do what I did and actually cut around it to leave the border going around. Either way, I think this time I'm going to go ahead and just cut a square. Let's see what that'll look like. So I'm going to line it up there and trim it. Line it up using that. All right. There, there, there. Ooh, I can smell my dinner getting done. Oh, it smells so yummy. I love when dinner's thrown in the oven and I just have to wait till it's done. All right, isn't that pretty? So then we can put this on a card. That way, this way, whichever way you want to put it on there. All righty. So this one is 1 1/4 inch square, and look at how much bigger it is. And this one's only a 1 inch square. You wouldn't think that there would be that much of a difference, but there really is. Isn't that neat? I love it. So now you can make this into a card. I like to cut them out. I like to make 2 and put them together back to back and then put a little string in the top of it and use them as ornaments. I think those make really pretty ornaments. But I like to use them as embellishments on cards. These also look awesome lined up in a scrapbook. You can put 1 in each corner of a scrapbook, a 12 by 12 inch page. That would look gorgeous. You could also cut it in half and then put 1 in each corner for a scrapbook page or a journal. That would look really pretty. Alrighty, so let me bring these both up to you so you can see. Here's the one we just put together. If you'd like to, take a screenshot of it so that you have the pattern. And it's just 4 squares. 2 of one color and 2 of another color. Okay, and here's the difference between the 2. So I hope you like this idea and you'll give it a try. And until we meet again, happy crafting. Bye-bye.